Hello everyone. Today we're back out in Altrincham. Just see Tracy there walking down the path. Alan's right the way down there near the bridge. We've got some bikes coming. So yeah, we're hitting this spot again. So there we go. We're hitting this spot. There's a truck axle just in here. We're going to try and get out today, but I think I'm going to start in the spot I finished in, which is the other side of this railing here. But me and Tracy, we're the only ones here at the minute. That's it. Me and thee. So I'm guessing Paul and Steve and all the rest of it will be here shortly, but for now, let's give this a whirl over here while it's unfrozen. Right, I'll get set up and bring you back shortly. Right, so Paul and Jay's just turned up. Paul's gone to get Jay this morning, because obviously he lives closer. But right, I've just had 2 dips. First dip, I got a couple of track clips, bit of flat plate, that strip there. Second dip, I've got a track bolt, and then I've got this, which on the inside of it has got lots of lovely copper. So no matter where I go, I always seem to find copper. Not that I'm complaining, but happy days. We like that. We like that. It's as good as gold. Right, so a magnet full on this one. So we've got a wheel, bit of pipe, bit more pipe, and then on the underside, bit of angle iron. Got a massive track clip, that one, bloody hell. Chuffs that. No idea, but it's got a couple of rivets in the end of it. Like a bit of flat bar. That's a monster, that one though. I think I've had one quite that big. There we go. Nice big track clip. See what's next. So, starting to get a bit of a collection in the bucket now. I've just had a pair of pincers to there. Various railway bits, track clips and all that. Piece of scaffolding. Oh, on the box. Had a watch. Obviously the pin's broke on it. No idea what make it is. On the back does have some writing, and it says stainless steel back, base metal. What's it say there? Case, dust proof, sports watch, and it's got a number 08091. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, you might just be able to see it there now. Yeah, no idea what it is, because the front of it is absolutely caked in crud. So there we go. We got Paul next to us here now.
Morning!
And then the other side of us, we got Steve.
Afternoon!
Oh, it's afternoon, the time he turns up. I was here at 8. Oh, not even got his.
Wet the bed this morning.
Not even got his gear ready. 9:05.
It's been here over half an hour though.
Oh yeah, well over half an hour.
No, I meant me.
Oh yeah. He's been here a while. He just can't get over talking. Loves a good chin wag, does our Steve. So let's get back to magnet fishing. Right, so update on finds. We've had this nice long pole at the back here. I've got a nice big fish plate. In the bucket there, loads of track clips, track bolts, excuse me, all that sort of stuff. Some more track clips and track bolts and a big like rivet headed bolt there. But the piece de la resistance is just here behind my box, and it is this. You see the nice detailing on there, hopefully. It's a bit seized at the minute, but we're thinking it is a blank fire or just an ornamental piece. So I'm going to try and clean it up today while we're still here and see if we can find anything on it, see if we can work out what it is, all the rest of it, and if need be I'll phone it in. But at the minute we don't think it's a viable piece, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, lovely find, absolutely lovely. And Steve, he's just had 2 air rifles, so yeah, epic. Right, so on this one type of track clip, another type of track clip, and then I've also got a pipe clamp which goes in there. It wants to sort itself out. There we go. Put the pipe in, clamp it down. There we go. Sorted. So we got Tori over here being child's entertainer for the day.
As always, I always keep the kids entertained.
Yeah. So Amber's come out today. She's come to visit me on the canal side for a little bit.
Dad, I think you get more views because I'm on it.
Oh, well, let's hope so, shall we? Let's hope so. Oh, we'll leave that one there, shall we? Right, so I've had more track bolts, track clips. We've even got a scaffolding clip just there. And the last throw, I've just had half a pedal bike and one of these lanterns. No battery or out like that, just the lens. Just the one at that. Oh, not bad, not bad. Still producing. Oh, let's keep going. Should be some pictures on the end of today's video as well, so don't forget to stick around for them. Clever man I am. Me GoPro mounts I'm having to hold. Got some bolt croppers last week.
Got up there with him.
Oh, he took them up there, and he's done his wristing, so he couldn't do it. So I did it with a bit of chain that Steve's got, and yeah, ended up snapping my GoPro mount. Never mind. See how we get on. Dan thinks he's got one. I've got a few at home. Oh, let's see what we got. So we've tidied up today. So, oh, you can't see it from here. Let's go around the back and show you this. Look at that. Absolutely rammed front to back in there. So we've got that van. Then we come over here to this man. Who's brought that man? If we have a quick look in there.
Quick look.
Rammed.
No kids.
Oh God. Rammed front to back. And then you get over to mine. Don't forget, if you see me on the road, got these on the back. Not rammed, but plenty in there. Noisy bugger, innit? But yeah, so really good day again here today. We've cleaned down even where we've been loading into the cars and everything. If you are in Altrincham, there's a little cafe in the last archway there. Doors shut now. Kickback Coffee Brewing Company, I think it's called. Do a nice hot chocolate in there. So go check them out if you're in the area. Right, so that's it, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, please. Like, share, you know, the usual. Don't forget, I am affiliated with Online Magnets, so if you do want any magnets, grappling hooks, ropes, anything like that, head on over to onlinemagnets.co.uk. When you're there, have a look round. If you want something, stick it in your basket, and then when you get to the checkout bit, at the bottom of the screen it'll say apply discount code. Stick in there AJ10 for 10% off your entire order. Everything on the website, 10% off. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, they've got a new rope, 1800 kilo, a green one. Alistair, he's got it, says it's absolutely mint, so go and check that out if you need some new rope. And on that one, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, there's going to be some photos following this, and I'll see you on the next one. So, Swinton Police Station, my local police station that's always open. I've got the gun with me there, so we're just going to head in now and hand it in, see what they say, see whether I can get to keep it at some point. Well, we'll find out shortly. Right, so there we have it, one empty bag that's been handed in now. I have requested for the armed police to contact me if there's any chance of me getting it back whatsoever, either through deactivation or if they have a means, or even just through the antique law. Antique weapons, sometimes you can keep them. From the research I've done, I'll put some shots on the screen. It is antique, but it's not obsolete caliber, so there is still ammunition around for it. So it's not a keeper in the general sense, but maybe under the antique side of it I might be able to keep it, so we'll hopefully find out at some point today. I'll probably put some text on the screen saying whether it's a keeper or not, or whether there's any chance of me getting it back. If not, then when I find out, I'll stick an update in a future video.